Yes, of course, it's a matter of concern, and these kind of incidents are unfortunate. It should not have happened, and strict action will be taken against those who have done this kind of attacks, especially on a legislature in their house, going into their house and throwing stones. And it's not just about a legislature. This kind of incident should not happen to anybody. So therefore, whoever's involved in these kind of things, be it in the legislature's house, be in a common citizen's house, it is a duty of the police and the administration and the government to take necessary action. And we are sure of necessary action to be taken. And also in the future, also we have to do different aspects. We'll be going into different aspects. We're having a review today on this issue, and whatever steps to be taken to ensure that these kind of activities and incidents don't happen in the future, we'll be deciding on that.
Well, you once said you talked about